Hello, how are you guys? I just made this e-commerce website using Django and Next.js. Let's see what functionality it has and how I implemented that. So this is basically a gems and jewelry website where user can order gemstones, certified gemstones and jewelry. Okay, the first module is authentication. It has login, logout, reset password and verification after the first sign up. Here I will log in with my credentials, with my password and email. I just logged into my account and now I can see. By the way, if you are an anonymous user, you can see the gems, but you cannot add it to the cart. It has the stock availability option in origin, like how much stock I have, and it has the cart functionality. You can add to the cart, delete from the cart, and you can see your account settings like billing address or shipping address, payment methods. These all are dynamic, and these all are from direct from the database. And if you want to remove an item for the cart, you can do it. If you want to add to the cart an item, then you can add to it. And if you want to order it, you can order it by just clicking proceed to the checkout. After proceeding to the checkout, you have to visit my orders. In my orders, you can see that they are pending and unpaid and confirmed orders. If the order is unpaid and pending, then you have to check out the payment process. Like you have to complete your payment now. And if you click on the complete payment now, then you have to give your credit card number. Here it's expiry date and CVV and zip code. After proceeding to the payment, it will be successful if the credentials are right. Then in the backend, I will have new payment uh, related to date order, and admin will confirm the payment and save it. The same process for the payment also, order and payment. After completing all the process, then user will it will be updated. Like if I visit my user site, then uh, I will see that the payment is confirmed and the order is also confirmed, and you can download the invoice. And if you go to the Stripe, then I can see the transaction here, the latest transaction. I have 7 transaction and now I have 8 transaction. The 190 is the latest one. It has also the other functionalities like searching the gyms, and it has also like recommendation of the gemstones based on the birthday. But I haven't added that on the video. Thank you so much.